Hey guys, Jeff Smith here again. I'm going to do a quick unboxing. I got stuff from David, Lee and Suzy from Silver Giveaways. So I'll just have it out here real quick. I mean, they got a lot of different stuff. Very fun, very great. Got a 1900 Morgan dollar. I believe it's an O. Yep. So we got a 1900 O. Love getting Morgans. We also got a 1994 ASE. That's always a good coin to get. Then we got the Seahorse. What's it from? Oh, Samoa. We got the 2018 Samoa coin, and it's a Seahorse. A lot going on in that round. Love it. Then we got the square coin from Australia, the Dragon coin. Gotta love that. Then we also got this silver bullet round, or not round, but bar. Little vintage bar, kind of neat. Then we got the Superman from our good friends up north in Canada. Then we got another Bitcoin round. Love the Bitcoin. Then we got 1, 2, 3, 40s. 1, 2, 3 Walking Liberties. I believe I got one in the box too. The others were. Well, I might have had more than one in the box. And then we got this lovely 2000 proof. Just really clear. Great mirror finish. Great, got a couple great proofs this last week, and then I got a nice note from them. We're thankful, grateful, and blessed for your support and generosity. David, Lee, and Suzy, Silver Giveaways. So, guys, I'll have their page in the description below. But wanted to show you what I got from them. They have a wide variety of both constitutional and silver rounds. A lot of fun. Their channel is a lot of fun. They got a lot of fun people in the channel. So, like I said, description below, or in the description below, I'll have their link. So if you want to go say hi, tell them Jeff Silversmith sent you. Since now, yeah, that's true. This will be my first video where I've had the silver in between my Jeff and Smith. So I did that because there's another Jeff Smith that came into RFT's chat. I'm not saying that I don't like the other. I mean, it's fine to have more than one Jeff Smith, but I just wanted to differentiate myself. So there you have it. This is the first Jeff Silversmith video. Alright guys, you have a good rest of the day, and I'll see you again soon.